Alhamdulillah. So, I'm going to start from where we stopped last week. Was it not last week? Yeah, last week. So, I will start with the designing part. When I finish the HTML file, I will explain the HTML file. So after finishing the HTML file, then we move to CSS file, which is cascade style sheet. So as I've explained before, the cascade style sheet is for styling the front end of the design. So then after that, then you can ask a question then. So we can move ahead. Who else wants to help me that? Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm going to share my screen. Yep. Please, can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, just let me know. Notify me.
Yes.
Okay. Let me hide this. Yep. And let me start this. This is what I was saying last time. If you all remember that you install something that we call live server through this extension, live server extension. The live server extension will let you run your file. So for example, I've not started this file, this design. So I'll just say, okay, this is my file. I'll come here, then I will right click, then open with live server. So it's supposed to pop up. Yeah, pop up this way. So it will pop up your folder, your file, which is your web page for you. And after doing that, you can now start designing. Then as we are designing, it will be changing here. So coming, let me stop this so this thing can work faster. Please, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can. But
Okay,
please help
good.
us zoom out the screen.
The code.
Yes, please zoom
Oh,
it. Mhm.
I wanted to just put it aside, then start designing, then you'll be seeing everything here. But can you see it here? Like
And
this.
we can see it, but it's tiny. You can help us zoom it out a
Oh,
little.
like this.
Uh, no, I think it's under view. Zoom is under view towards the end. Under view tab.
On the
View.
oh, sorry. I don't know that's what you're trying to say.
Uh,
Window is full screen. Okay.
zoom in. Zoom in.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Control plus. Can you see it like this? Okay.
I think it's better like this.
Yeah, it's better now.
Beautiful. Beautiful
Hmm.
now.
Let me close this tab. Yeah. Yeah. Is it okay this way?
Yes.
Good. So remember last time that there's only image that we input. Then after inputting the image, then our text. And remember, I said if you have a container which is div, click on this div, we have all our image here, and there's another div here. So let me just comment this one out because I've typed it already. So that's another container that I opened. Yep. So what else do I now? Let me open my design because I've sketched what I wanted to design. I've sketched it out already. Okay. So what else do I want to do? Okay, need to do navbar. Navbar means navigation bar. Navigation bar is also what we know as menu bar on each website. So if you remember, we use this tag, sorry, this HTML element to list something, to list item. So we can list as much as many items we want. Contacts, contact us. So you can list as many as blog. What else can we have? Blog.
Our
Let's
service.
see our services. Our services. What else can we have?
Q&A section.
What is the meaning of Q&A section?
Question and answering. Answer. Question
Okay,
and answer.
okay. So let's see. We have one, two, three, four, five left. Okay, let's leave it this way. 5. Then we close the navbar. That is the navbar. What else do we want to add? Okay, let's add image. An image. This section, I would like to use a tag or an element called main element. The main element is used to it's used to section or to call a certain region of your page like a main. So a web page, we also know that section as a main page. Is going to be different from the header and the footer and something like that. So in our main page, I would like to add an image to the main page. So within that image, I will also want to add a section. So image, what is going to follow this image element? If you want to input an image after img element, can somebody remember? If you want to
SRC.
src, God bless you, you're following src, then we have an alternative if possible. If
Logo.
you wish, is an option, it's not compulsory. So an image, src, alternative, and we close. So what image can we use here? Let me check. Just looking for an image to put in that section. No. This one is a face of devil. Okay, let's use image one. Home page. So we are going to put image one here. Image one dot jpg. That is the extension. And I'll call the image, say, first image. And the second image, image 2. Image 1. Second image. Yeah. After that, what can I say? Can I put? Okay, let me just write. Let me just give this one a page or paragraph. Say image and test will go here, and other content. So I'll close the section. Yeah, so that one has gone. So let me show you something. On each website, let's say we go to gov.uk, for example. You see this section? This section is what we call footer. The footer is a website. This is the footer of the website. You will notice that this footer is different from the main page, main section, which is Itoni color white E. Then the upper one is what we call header section or menu section. Gbogbo home nǹkan kan tí mo kọ yẹn, àwọn bíbá yìí ló máa wà. We call it a nav bar. So let me give you another example. So that's header.go. Okay. Aha. A typical example is this one as well. One logo here, a nav bar. Our nav bar is going to be here, which is navigation bar to navigate through the website, or we call it menu bar or something. And when you go to the bar, to the footer, you notice that we have something like this in the footer. So this is the footer section of the page. So that is how we have it in all websites. There is no website that doesn't have any footer. So all of them have a footer. So let's see what we okay. We are going to have our footer here. I don't know whether you are still seeing this. Let me hide this.
Yes, we have.
Okay. Okay. Hide now. So let me collapse this. So after the main section, we're going to have our footer. Let me close the footer. So what can we have in the footer? Okay. Let's open a paragraph. Say footer section of Luluwa web page. Then do this. Oh, let's see, 2024. Web development classes. So done with the HTML page. Let's save. Can you see what happened? Everything show here. Boom. Can you see? This is our footer section. This is the body. Between the body, we have image, two image. The reason why this image is big is because the initial size of the image is big. And if you are using image, you need to know the size of your image. So either you resize your image before you start the designing to know the size of the image, or the container you wanted to put your image, you make your image fit to that container. So it is two ways that we do. So we're going to explore those size, those function. So you will notice that there is no link here. I'm supposed to add a link to the list. So let's go back to our list. So we're going to add a list. We are going to add a link. So to add a link to your text or to your to your navbar, what code did you use to add a link, or what code can you use? Hello?
Anchor tag A.
Okay, ahref is got to this close. Then you put your A at the back of your text. When you save, it's going to change. Let me save. Yeah, ahref. Oh, this is not ref. Href, let's save. So can you see that is different from the others list? So that is how you're going to add a list to, a link to the rest. So the page you want the text to go, that is the text you put in this the quote. I don't know whether you get me, whether you get my grammar.
Yeah, we get you here. Yes.
Okay. I want to be doing it one by one so that you can understand every magic. So can you see that it is linked already? But we didn't put any link. We have not created the page. We've not created all this page. So that one has gone. What else do we need to do before we start styling? Nothing. Okay. Let me change this one to 2 so that it won't give me any nonsense. Yeah. I created an error here. If you remember, if you check this code properly, I said image location. Then after the image location, I put first image. you now see that the image is not showing here. Instead of the place to be blank, it shows this alternative. That is the function of alternative, which is first image. So even if user comes to your website, try to check and everything is not loading the way it's supposed to load, the text will let the user know that, okay, it is very low, logo is supposed to be here. Okay, their first image that's supposed to be here. So the error, the reason why we have error here is the extension type. If you check, this is the first image, and if you can see, we have first image here, and this is the location of the image. And let's now check what is the error. Why do we have that error? It's because the extension is JPG, and I wrote JPG, and I wrote, um, sorry, okay, JPG one, sorry, image one, sorry, two rather. Don't let me confuse myself and save. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm not seeing something right. Image 2 dot, okay, PNG, JPNG. Image 2 dot JPNG. Yeah. So can you see that the two images showing now? So those small errors can let you spend more than an hour if you don't know. So let's go. Then we've write everything now. No design, no nothing. Everything is just ordinary. So before we can style each section, we need to do what? We need to give it a class, as I explained last class. So it is that class we will be using to give each section property. So let's now give it a class name. So if you remember, this welcome page doesn't have anything, but let's give it a class name called, sorry. Okay, it has class name, which is title container. That one has gone. So let's give our list. Okay, list, we can use list here. And let's go. What else? Okay, section. Let's give section a class name. We can use list like that. Class, let's say container, because it is the main container. Content. That's our main content of the page. Section, footer. Can I give footer a name? Let me leave footer alone. We can use footer, we can use list, we can use under list. So let's save. And let's now go to our CSS. I'm sorry. I've clicked on the CSS now. I'm on CSS file now. So the only thing we give a section is a logo. Logo, then header section. Let me show you. Header section. Header section. Then this is the header section. I don't want to be typing all those things again. This is the header section. The first thing I did is I display the header section in a grid form. What do I mean by grid form? A grid form is, let me open Notepad so that you can, no, not Notepad, Paint. A grid form is when you have, hey, my line, no, I'm using mouse, I'm not using pen. So a grid form is when you have something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can put it in a grid. You can even have a grid of like this. Then you now divide it. Then after you divide it, you now design in each grid section. So this grid now, we call this one 1, 2, 3, 3 by 3 section. This is row and this is column. Row, column. So now I have one row in that section, which is the first one. This is what I do. I will show you the code. Don't worry. I just want to explain with this one first. I do this as, sorry. Yeah, as we all know that this one stand for container, right? Which is div. This one stand for div. Then, and I want to divide the div like this. That is the function of that grid container. So this place, the logo will be here, then the text will be here. That is the function. That is the meaning of this grid. Display grid. It's going to display in grid. Then grid templates auto is going to I put it in auto, which is the column. So if I add another thing, if I add another text, it's going to follow like that, auto follow, auto grid. Then I put the alignment of the other header section in center, which is this text. I put it in the center. Then the gap between the grid, which is the gap between the grid like this, the gap in between, I give it 10. Then padding. Padding means if you have something that you put inside a container, then you want to pad it, like the space in between here and here. I will still change everything. You'll be seeing it, oh, don't worry. I'm just explaining first. So the space in between here and up and down, we can say padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. We can use all those functions like this. Can you see? Padding left, top, bottom. It depends on how you want to pad. What did you want to pad? You want to pad it to the left or you want to pad it to the right? So I don't want to waste much time. That is why I'm just doing that. I will still give you time to ask a question. Save logo container. Do I give it auto here? Okay. What you should do? Got my first recording. Okay. I give logo Control S. I can start everything again. Okay. So I've given logo a style. And what next? Title. Title container. Let's say text. Text align. Alignment center. Can you see? Comes to the center. That's what I'm trying to say. So then what else? What else? We've given logo. Logo is here already. Then let's say navbar, our navbar dot ul, because it is a list. Then let's list style, list style. What style can we use? Okay, don't let us give it style yet. So we're going to give it style later. Then display flex. This flex function will let the content of what you wanted to style to give you a room to flex, to it will make it flexible. Yeah, let me leave it like that. It will make it flexible for you to move around. So it will not be in kò ní wà lójú kan, like kí nǹkan wà in block form. So it's going to be flexible. So then justification of content. Let's use space round. And what can we give it again? Background color. Can we use gray? Let's use gray. Me, I'm not good in matching color. It can come out in any form. 10px x save. Are we making sense? Maybe what I'm doing is nonsense. Hello?
Hi, we are with you. We are with you.
Just be writing your question, so don't worry. Then what else do we want to style here? Okay, we're still going to footer. Then let's give a now link. That link, this link is showing one one underline stuff. We want to remove that underline. So Konima file Asabe. Oh my ear. That is the function of that A. We use href element. So text decoration. We normally use text decoration. None is going to remove it sharp. Then go to launch here. So text decoration is going to remove the underline. And what else? Let's say color. Color jadi. You can give it white. I'm going to show that ambivines. White. Then what else? Font size. Font size, let's say 16px. Yeah. Can we give it a bold font style? And the font style is font weight. Yeah, bold. Yeah, it's making sense, small. So let's move to another. Let me check what's else there. We've done style, we've done this one. So let's go to the main, which is content. Content. Don't let me use content. Let me start with the main first, then I can change it later. Let's say main, because I use main. What can I give this style? Okay, let's change the background first. Background color. Please, who know how to match the color? I'm giving myself headache. What color can I give this background section?
Just use the color of the badge now, the Oluwa's
Okay, white.
logo color.
Okay, let's use white smoke. Okay, now put that there. Then padding. Let me give you 20 px. Please shift segue. Yeah. I'll shift daddy. Bits. Let's use where is it?
Sorry, why don't you use the bar where the home and all that? Why don't you make that maybe orange or something?
This one,
You
right?
know the bit where you put away
Here, right?
where?
What
Where's your
where are you trying to say?
where's your mouse?
Here. Can you see my
No,
mouse?
not there. Where it
Here.
says home, contact us, this banner here.
Okay, here.
Yeah, why don't you make that orange?
Okay.
In order for it to match that logo.
Oh, I'm bad in matching colors, so I'm sorry. Let's try that.
Yeah,
Where's
but then
this?
you've got the logo there.
Yeah.
And then the text can then be black.
I
Let's
mean
see how that works.
orange. This one. Oh, this orange is
Uh-huh. Now it looks better.
okay. Then let's go. Let's go. 930. Font size. Font size. 618. Yeah, for the text. The text here is different from the one that I have here. If you remember, this section is a footer section. It's not a main body section. So let's go. Let me save this one. Okay, saving already. So then footer. Background color. Let me check color coding. That is where you can be picking a color.
What are you looking for now? Sorry.
Color code.
For what?
Color separation. I just want so that I can be picking different colors.
Because I think the color is there on the page already. I'm just wondering why you're looking for colors.
I just want to have a different well, okay. What color can we give to the footer? Green? Or let's
You
use
cannot give it green because you used the orange on the banner. And I think the footer should also be orange as well. Because
mm,
it
orange
needs
is
to
not good.
rhyme.
Orange on the footer is not good.
Okay,
Like
why don't you try it first and then see what olive green would look like?
say
See?
it's
Okay.
too the color is like
But the
fighting each other.
footer, even the footer is very tiny. Anyway,
Yeah,
you can't use
definitely
green.
is going to be. I will give it what's it called here? I'll make it
Olive
bold.
green.
Okay. I remember something. Orange. And I can click here. Yes. I can click here to select color code. If you don't know how to, or if you don't know much color coding, once you type one color, we have three main color. cyan, magenta, and one white or something. I know that we have three basic color, and the basic color is what I'm having here. These are the three basic color that we have. So imagine them together, be giving you what you want. So let's have something related to this. Yeah, save. Okay, like this one. So what else? Main color is white. No, use black. Yeah, text. Text alignment should be center. Then let me padding. Give it
The
20.
green is even worse.
Maybe you just need the sneakers.
Seriously? Yeah, I don't know. I'll still change it. I'll still change
Yes,
it.
maybe you can use the orange still and just change the text to be white instead
Font
of
size.
black.
Let me use medium. This medium is not doing it. Mm, Okay. So we said green is not good. So what
It's
color
not.
again? So let's use gray then. Yeah, I'm not good in color like that though. I'm worse. That is why I normally work with UI US people. So they will be the one to design everything for me. Then me, I'll just do the coding. Aha. So mm, let me stop here. Let me stop here. But no. This front is not what I want.
Excuse me, someone is trying to join,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
hold
yeah.
on.
I've accept. I just accept the person now. Page. Where is that? Welcome to. Yeah. Dave. Mhm. This one is here. Then this one is here. Let me put this one. Cut. Join. Save. Yeah. I want to see whether my grid function is working. Okay. It's not actually what I want, but let me check the code again. The first div, yeah. Second div, yeah. Local container. Put the image. Put the image. Close. Open another one. Container. chai, close, close. Header section, now image, the class, yeah. And now I'll come to my CSS. Okay, header section is a class name. Copy. I wanted to see something. Class name got header section. Yeah. I actually want to see what I'm saying. What I'm doing is actually giving me results. And display templates. Template column. Yes, that's put into the grid now. Then can I give again? Let me align the stuff to center. So align the item to center. Then let me give it cap. Say 10px mass. Let me save. Good. 10ps align. Then I don't need to give it padding again, but let me try to add if it is going to give me something good. Padding 20 ps. Yeah, this comes to the middle now. Then let me reduce this to 15. Okay, 15 is okay. What else can I give? Background color is fine. Text align center, fine. Yeah. Okay, no page for this. Okay, let me just do one page so that we can understand what we are doing. Close the image. I'll click on the app. On the app. No. Okay. On the app, then I will say blog. Let me design blog. Say blog dot html. Then let's say doc type html. Head title. Title is blog page. So what else can I have here? No. No. I think I should be having body. Between the body, there's something here. Who can remind me? I don't want to type it. Are we here?
Yes, between what?
Between the body. There's something is missing here in this template.
The paragraph and the H1 or whatever we want to use.
No. HTML.
Okay, I thought you said between the body.
Don't mind me. This is my Oyinbo. My Oyinbo is weak. Don't mind me. So let's say H1 blog page. Save. Then let's go to the home page. Home page where we have blog. Then we now put this blog file. If you can see clearly, you will see that the blog file is in app folder. So we are going to navigate to app folder. I think we need the slash. The slash here we call to the root of the folder. So then app folder, between the app folder we have the blog page. Then we say save. So if we click, she will accept any issue. I think so. So if we click on blog page, it's supposed to show us am I not saving the okay, save the blog page, save blog page. Oh, sorry. Mo lọ gbé sínú home page. So if we click the blog page, it should show us our blog page. So we're going to design that one separately. That is why I said all the website that we are going through or we are visiting, all the pages represent a file on the or in the what's it called in the website folder in the website server.
I got everybody.
Ekale, all the page, everything, each page represents one file. So if you notice now, we have our blog page, which represents one file, which has nothing in there, nothing in it already. So nothing is here. But in our home page, we are trying to develop something. We are trying to write something on our home page. So I think, wow, this is 9:30, 1 hour. So let's stop here for today. Then we can now start asking our question. I know definitely there's going to be a question. So let me leave the home page. Let's go back to the home page. This is what we did for today. Do header section, navigation, content, which is the main content. We try to type something inside. I can say add more if we have more thing to add. We can design more thing than the footer section. So that is that. So let me stop
Coach,
the
good evening, sir.
video. Good evening, sir.
Me, I've been left far behind though. I'm sorry. I was writing an exam for some days now, so
Yeah,
please, I've
I
been
think
left behind. So I don't know what is going to happen to me, sir.
not we are going to we are going to hasten everything together, so don't worry.
Okay.
I wanted to stop. Pause the recording.